Hey guys, I'm Riya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a vlog about my new phone Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. It is the latest flagship of Samsung. It's an unboxing video and I'm super excited about my new device. That's why I'm sharing it with you. As you can see, the S9 Plus is beautifully engraved with blue in the black background, and also the memory of the device is given over here. Overall, with the outlook, we can definitely expect something special inside. If you flip it over, you'll find all the key specs mentioned over there. Now, let's remove the sleeve and reveal the actual box. Before unboxing, let me clear something. I've bought this phone from a Samsung retail store with insurance, so they have opened it and checked everything, hence the seal is open. So, as we open it, a box-like envelope appears. Everything is black and gorgeous, looks very worth the money spent. Within it lies a standard silicone back cover, which as you see is very efficient. It also has a bunch of usage guides in different languages. It has an ejecting pin for SIM card and memory card trays. Now, the actual beauty is here, for which I've been waiting eagerly. I'll reveal the features of the phone a bit later. Let's first discover the contents of the box. They have provided with the same good old fast charger with A to C type USB cable, and also the world famous AKG has collaborated with Samsung to add a pair of in-ear headphones with 2 sets of extra earpods. They have also provided a USB converter to exchange the data. Now I'm coming back to the phone. It's a very beautiful black phone which looks shiny and elegant. It has the curved edges just like the S8 Plus, visually bezel-less. It offers Gorilla Glass on the both sides of the frame. It has very sleek borders and it has a microphone on the top as well as the bottom, along with Dolby Atmos speaker. So let's turn it on. The fingerprint scanner is placed under the camera for easy one-hand operation. Speaking of cameras, they are revolutionary set of multi-apperature lenses with flash and slow-mo recording up to 960 fps. Then there are the hybrid SIM card slot on the top supporting dual SIM or memory card. Beside them lies the secondary mic summing up the top edge. At the bottom we find the 3.5mm audio jack and the primary mic with the C-type USB charging port and the Dolby Atmos supporting speakers. This is the Bixby button underneath the volume button. The power button on the other side. Now let's find out a bit about the camera. It has the regular, auto, food, panorama, pro, along with new live focus, slow-mo, AR emoji, hyperlapse modes. Now moving on to security. It has intelligent scanner with face recognition, iris and fingerprint scanners. It also has the option of smart lock. On the upper panel, we have edge lighting, smart view and performance mode as new recruits. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus 128GB mobile features a 6.2 inches display with a screen resolution of 1440 x 2960 pixels and runs on Android Oreo 8.0 operating system. The device is powered by Octa core 2.7 GHz quad core into Mongoose plus 1.7 GHz quad core Cortex A53 and has 6 GB of RAM. It has 3500 mAh battery. The rear camera is a pair of 12 MP lenses with CMOS image sensor supporting a resolution of 4000 into 3000 pixel and dual aperture of 1.5 and 2.4. It can record up to 960 fps for slow-mo, the front snapper 8 MP and is powered by CMOS image sensor. Other sensors include light sensor, proximity sensor, rgbw sensor, accelerometer, barometer, compass, gyroscope. It has fingerprint sensor, facial recognition, iris scanning. It has IP68 ratings of water resistance and Mali G72MP18 GPU for graphics. Inbuilt memory is 128 GB and can be extended up to 400 GB. It is 8.5 mm slim and weighs up to 189 grams. Thank you for watching this video. Please share your valuable comments with me and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.